Come on, leg attention. I see Naija FM 102.7. Now you position put live and direct. Check your time right now. 53 minutes of base. Leave 10 a.m. All get there. Happy independence of Nigeria. 60 years not be beans. Retirement age. Now Nigeria day right now. If we not make the right decision, we'll remain here where we did. But still on Sisha, 10 years anniversary as a station not be beans. At the same time, we get plenty people for studio right now. I tell now say we get the finalists on top Big Brother Naija season 5 when one join us. They don't join us. If one scatter most scatter table. If you want drag me, wanna drag me. I survive us all fast. I go survive now. Anyway, my name is Naija Bob BMC around. We are not dealing for studio.
And my own name is Becca, please.
We get husband and wife, but we never know their future right now. So they go tell us. We get Neo, we get V. So welcome.
Good morning.
I see the two of them talk together.
Bros, that's not any intention.
Una don't settle na quarrel now, sha. Una relationship don't get direction now.
It's going somewhere.
You never see sure. You never see sure. No, we'll carry Neo matter go your church. No worry.
Oh God. No way.
Then we get Dorathy, the full chest. Ah, you sit up for body.
Beg.
Welcome to Naija.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi to you. We get one of the. He almost scattered Big Brother house. He don't know himself already. We get Nengi for the building. Welcome, Nengi.
Hello. Happy Independence Day.
You need to increase the volume of your voice.
No. I'm a soft girl. We don't shout.
Yeah, it's soft girl. Oh, well, I love that. I love soft babes too. Only say I don't marry, now be a problem now. Then we get one of the. This guy shock us. He shock us in the sense he carry food transformer and come house as introduction. We not just in a shock in one shock us because he light up his clothes.
No be small thing.
This guy not only shock us, he can still become the winner of Big Brother Naija season 5. We get Laycon for the video. Brotherly, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. Bob, please. She na pigeon go dey use the answer.
Na pigeon. I
confused. Oh yeah, now I did okay. Thank you, my brother. God bless you guys.
Congratulations on the 85 million win. No joke at all.
Thank you.
You don't start to share the money. Because some of us guys for we vote for you.
Thank you guys. I love you guys.
Okay, now sharp. Where we'll start from right now. We'll start with husband and wife. V. Neo. I'm not gonna lie, I do in a relationship. But the problem is the relationship will not get direction. If the guy they be. What really happen? Why you feel say Neo not openly ask you to be the girlfriend? And also why you not get the code from Neo?
I feel like me asking Neo to, take our relationship to the next level was more like a test to see if he was actually ready.
Okay.
And I don't at that time.
Not pass.
I don't think. No. Okay. It's still coming. We're still seeing where it's going.
Hold on, never see pass. How many years course?
It's not by that. We need to know if we're compatible for sure outside. Fame is a major thing.
Oh.
But at that time, I don't think he was ready.
Okay, but right now,
He's ready.
He's ready.
He doesn't have a choice. We are in this together. Yes, he's ready.
Neo don't show where to be.
Wait, see, you don't throw kick give me for yesterday. I don't know. Don't say I be worried boy.
See, from don't say to we be neighbors.
Oh, that's the same thing, bro.
The starter also,
that's
the
the same thing, but bros, to be very honest, as in I enjoy the journey so far. You understand? Because I feel like my story not for complete, you understand? You not good way. If you not good way, go for the house.
When you mean if I wish be not
straight up, I don't go no cap. You understand? This story not for other things for day, but I like this story is special. It's different. You get me? So about that whole, that you asked me, I don't go lie. The way things go. I tell myself, say, as I enter that, I want to be myself. You get me? And I know I don't come from emotionally. I know for like jump into it and not be serious thing. Because I don't tell myself, say, guy, time that they go, anything where you guys jump into now, you guys be serious, so I go end up there. You go focus, you go invest. You get me? So even with me not saying anything, it still shows say I get value for waiting with the soft between our two guys here. You understand? Because I like.
But she be one me there as spoken say, be my girlfriend. Why you not run her?
But bros, man tell you now, girl tell you say be my girlfriend. You call tell and say man I not fit.
But this same baby the hug and the rub.
That one there, but there's a difference. You know understand? Okay. There's a day. So you just guys take your time because last time I don't be hard not trust on myself. Yeah, so I just guys do.
I say waffy boy.
Normally, so I say you not be like say because this one will make sense. So I don't feel like Jones. You get me? So not the same thing.
But severally, we see so many times where they talk say V now the kind of woman where you want to really spend when you don't dream of thing. At least with that yes or that belief when you don't get, it's supposed to make you say okay, V officially be my girlfriend.
That one day, bros. But see, life before and life after.
Okay.
And they wait to see life after. And now the life after don't they do so.
That's 4 days later.
Only 4 days, bros. I'm not gonna like you. The way they be said 4 days, me and I will never go to see because the pressure more. They walk. They chase bag and they chase bag. That's all we're about. As in, we always told ourselves we have to chase this bag. Get your side, man, get my side. Straight up.
Alright, from the housemates we say we don't see, we see some other female housemates that they the house. If we know they that house, who you forget high on top?
I say nobody.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What do you see for V body? Which attributes you get? Where say make you gone?
The thing was
bad man.
See, bro, the thing was I know this.
Spiritual thing,
So you get with the camera not show us for that for us between the top.
The one with the show now, they show now. Everything will happen, they show now. So the one we don't see that is not happen.
Okay, we'll come back to you. Over to Dorathy right now. Dorothy. Eclair. You'll be one of the housemates when, because over the years we don't find out a big brother don't become heavy for building relationship, starting a relationship. Congrats to Teddy and Bamba, there be success story. Ike and Messi, there be success story. But your case different because even the two guys when you manage like they come carry from your hand. What happen? You believe say you not legit enough, or you believe say that you underrate you?
Well, firstly, may I even attempt to even speak? Okay, PG. Okay. So I see B. I don't think say it happen as you talk because as my plan when I entered the okay, let's leave that. So I mean, I don't think it is how you think it is.
Okay.
I feel like entering into the house, I had my plan literally was just to like chase the
mullah.
Do you understand? So my mind was literally not set at that. So I feel like I didn't put in I didn't put my focus on having a relationship and to
But the first 2 years of become the blessing and want to share connection. Suddenly we hear say also start to the days for round table say I don't happily this triangle people are talking about no me and Dorathy are just friends. The person I have eye for is somebody else sitting close to you now.
Also has always made his feelings for Nengi clear since literally the second day. So it's not 2 weeks, it's the second day and my relationship with Oza from the start, brother-sister relationship. Big sister, little brother.
Alright, Dorathy, I won't come back to you based on the fact say say we girls they get girls schooled.
Yeah.
And people like say you and Watoni at a point, so now point they get close somehow. So,
over who?
They get close small like friends small. So for inside at least now they talk now.
But I mean, I was literally friends with everybody. And I always say this, you can't avoid me. So I was cool with everybody.
Of course.
You go embrace them with your food.
I go enter you. You know, guess I say what.
I want to ask you, say, you know, say at the final, maybe say we can ask you, say, okay, say which guy you talk say you go date. Now, Lord Baby.
Hey,
but
date how now?
Date now.
Date how?
But you mentioned Lord Baelish now.
Who's Lord Baelish?
Right.
No, I'm new on the streets. I'm not aware of this thing. Yes, all of that.
You don't really watch Game of Thrones, right?
No,
I mean, maybe because I'm not in you. Did it have anything to do with the room of love? It had everything to do with the whole house.
Bright.
That is the real really.
Sorry, I never asked the question. At a point, you feel say Watoni, as me say Lord Baelish like Watoni. Watoni could become a strong contender for you.
Contender how?
You like Baelish, Lord of Baelish. Watoni said like Lord of Baelish. So as Jimmy say,
I'll carry my likeness pocket am now.
But wait, because that Watoni, you and Watoni matter and Bright too matter because we hear clearly say you tell Watoni say I don't get problem. If you want her, I go leave her for you. But at the end of the day, you don't come up Bright to bed. So
please, I don't know.
know what you're talking about. I don't remember.
I be waiting. I watch the different from waiting the
It
day.
be like say una just
But on a serious note,
screen too big.
At any moment you share feelings for Bright, so you
Sorry?
feel okay. You share feelings.
Yeah,
for
I feel
Bright.
like he's a great person. Aside his very nonchalant attitude, but he's,
Now,
he's
baby
a
boy,
great,
no man. That's
yeah,
what we be.
he's a great person, and you know,
So
so it's just that little connection.
waiting attract you to Brighto. Sorry? Waiting
Why you don't want me
attract
to more for
you
a bench?
Brighto.
Please, you need to stop.
Dora! Dora!
Please, and it's, I feel like all of this was in the house, and I mean, it should just all stay there. We're moving forward now, so
Okay.
please. Burn the cable.
But,
Like we always say.
okay, now,
Burn the cable.
Before
Burn
you-
the cable. We're moving forward now. Burn the
Before
cable.
you enter the house,
Yeah.
you get relationship before you live single.
Single, Pringle.
Single.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you don't get relationship.
Nope.
I just want to confirm
Still
something.
single. Yeah.
Now, before we go Laycon, we'll go Nengi. Nengi, welcome to Naija FM second time.
Thank you.
Nengi, I don't get
How
problem
far?
with you. I like you normally.
Yeah.
But how you go to explain what happened between you and Ozo? If you want really to define that, how you go to explain that?
Me and Ozo, we be guys now. We be G's.
G's, when they
Ozo
share
na my G.
feelings.
Come on, like you meet somebody and you know you did the same place with the person over
Yeah.
a period of time. It's only normal for feelings to grow.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, say at some point I didn't start to feel some type of way, but that wasn't it for me.
Okay.
Then that wasn't my aim of being in the house. I just wanted to focus,
Okay.
and I knew that could have been a distraction. So yeah.
Okay, so you can't decide now because we notice it so severally. Also putting plenty effort just to get you to stay close to and really. Apart from the friendship, when they say more you remain friends, more of the friends. And we come find and say most time the reason why you dey hold back now say you dey base on top your relationship or situation outside.
Yeah.
Now why you dey hold back?
Yeah.
Why you feel say also not get that or you don't understand you from where you dey come from?
He's very similar to me. You get the way you go like person, yeah. You know, like people who are go-getters, like you they hear no, but you're still trying. I feel like that's the kind of person he is, and I don't fault him for that. I feel like he just knew what he wanted, and based on the fact say I talk say this relationship it already it don't
They
shake
shake
if I
outside.
come inside. So I think that's why he kept going and pushing. Yeah.
You not feel say because the question won't bring quarrel between me and us on fans now. This same question. So you not feel say what you also do not disrespect to your relationship outside. After several you say you don't tell and say calm down, one reach outside, we will know which way forward. That's when you don't determine if your relationship still intact. You not feel say that disrespect to your boyfriend at that time outside.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't think so. I really don't think so. I think, he was just doing his thing, and, I made it clear to him. It was, Ozo has no loyalty to him. So that person cannot be offended that this person, I'm the one that
Talking
is
about
loyal.
the person self, how far the person? Where you there now?
The person day, we've not really gotten a chance to speak because
But
he's
this one
so
don't talk.
busy. We never really talk at length. Never really talk like that.
How long you and the person without there together? Because for a babe to hold body strong based on his situation, if outside when not be relationship, it should say this person when you hold body for blind a person when you hold you strong or when you hold strong. So how long you and the person without there?
We've been on day for say almost 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah,
Wow.
almost 2 years. Yes.
But you they look forward to getting the situationship out of and entering into a relationship back. Abi?
I don't know. It be like say the person don't really break up
You
because
don't- okay, you never seen it, they don't break up with you.
I don't know. I just they assume.
But you and I don't talk since then.
I don't try to reach out. The person
You
never
never go.
answer me. So
Abi don't dey vex.
you don't vex. You don't vex.
You don't vex.
All right, namesake, I'm still on to you. Nengi.
Yeah.
I want to ask you about Erica. And I
Okay.
don't know ourselves before I enter the house or na for inside the house and I meet. Because some people don't they carry am all about say Nengi and Erica don't meet before based on the fact that I be ex-beauty queen.
Ex-beauty
I say
queen, yeah.
I don't meet for beauty pageant. How far?
You know the way social media dey way you go know person but you don't know the
Never
person.
meet her face to face.
Exactly. No, I don't meet her. I don't see her before, but not be like say we don't talk or get conversation. She's just in the entertainment industry you meet people You follow each other, you meet them. Doesn't mean
Not
you're
be so that
friends.
be party outside before.
No, at all.
But there was a point where Erica even come meet you, say, you know, we are the most hottest girl in this house. We are supposed to be close, we are supposed to be friends. But last time, they feel say after that conversation with you, plus plenty I want you to talk, una for day close together. But later, you just like say see shit, you not even one reason the friendship.
Because
why?
me, I'm the kind of person where I know sabi force things. Relationship or friendship.
So you dey try tell me that say you don't see vibe with Erica at that particular
I
moment.
don't vibe with them. That's it. I don't really vibe with
her.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now only Laycon will never really throw any question. Because the 85 million naira will win. Now our own, so we no one stress and too much. But you want change my thought, say the one room we want give me, you want come out.
Thank you very much.
Laycon, first of all, again, congratulations.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Laycon, a lot of things suck for the house. Starting from the very first.
I don't know.
You get from the show talents to the extent self, even artists when they plan to showcase his talent, as you hear your talent, he can't hide. Now later on, Tricoti now he come mellow. No, when you throw away this, Tricoti supposed to say I be rapper too, but when you throw away, you say no, this boy, man, calm down. You get so later will come to say graduate enter, what you want look like your feelings when you want to turn to relationship with Erica. When BC will come say they rejected. Now I want to ask you on just one straight line right now. Why you
Straight line.
why you feel say Erica not give you that chance in as much as she thought say she did mentally attracted to you?
I don't know. I don't go lie. I feel say now who she want she pick. And
Okay.
I don't get any
You
bad.
feel say that because say kid wire they available, now make she pick kid
I
wire.
don't know.
If we remove the kid wire, if we remove kid wire come up for the picture, you believe say she for reason you?
I still don't know. I don't go lie.
Okay.
Now wait till she tell me. I mean I don't really delve into asking questions as to why you pick this guy over me. No, I don't ask him that kind of thing. As in pick up.
We will see when you start to encourage her, you have made your choice, continue with your choice. Yeah.
Thank you very much. So you wanna see him.
Yeah.
I'm me. But I feel like the whole me, I guess because the way me I go react to that kind of thing never do me before.
Okay.
Normal. The way I go react for that kind of thing is to say I did outside the house now. I will just purge, leave the person alone now. So now the same thing I they try to do inside the house. Say make I just leave her. Respect her decision.
Okay.
Wish her well. Say she go day happy. Hope say I dey talk this pidgin well, sha. Wish her well. Say she go day happy and everything.
Now, why you feel say because one of the hottest week of Big Brother now when Erica did disqualify as a result of the encounter when he get with you. What do you believe say he make Erica coaching for you that particular night?
No.
Okay.
Because I just did my own, the flex inside arena, I dey dance with Nengi. I dey dance.
We still they come on
When
top
they come
of
there.
I dey dance. And when we come out, I remember say V no today find that
Particular
week.
day. Okay.
That week. Now I can't say make I go microwave my own food for her, say make she chow. And for where I dey microwave, now there everything just start. I mean I know.
Now you start and be she start am. Because camera not show the auntie when I start.
As you watch am, if you say na me start am.
Because we say foot hand. So you know what I need word.
Exactly. So I carry food, say me V chow, so she go use her medicine. That's all. That's all that was in my mind.
All right, still on to Erica matter. I no go take so much on top am.
Okay.
Assuming say Big Brother come ask you, say okay, Laycon, come meet me for diary room. Say come ask you, say based on everything maybe say Erica do, based on the fact say alcohol they involved. Shay, you want make I disqualify Erica or not? Waiting your answer go be.
I think everybody in this room knows what I would say. And that's the
But
truth.
see use matter talk
I
about
think, no, let me just, am I permitted to, I think everybody knows what I would say. I would obviously say do not disqualify Erica. Do not disqualify Erica. Why? No.
Okay.
Straight up. Sorry guys, I know I'm not supposed to do this kind of thing. I've been this thing one time and let me just say it's Laycon. Before all these things happened, I had a conversation with Laycon.
Yeah.
Maybe people don't know about it because we don't know what people saw and everything.
Yeah.
The thing is that this guy is actually a very good person.
Yes.
Laycon kept on telling me that he's telling himself that guy, the last thing I want here is to be the reason why this girl is.
Yeah, I think we sit down.
Do you understand? So he puts himself out there. That's why he was dragging out first. It's not like any other thing. You understand?
Oh, Ivo.
Man, just man.
We'll leave that one because I don't want to go to stage here. The show don't finish, but we look forward to journey one and one can start. So, but before then, we get one hot topic we need to treat, which will concern Nengi and Laycon. He almost want to make also the best for Laycon. Nengi, why they freely hold on? Why they freely give Laycon waiting also desire? Why? Waiting be the connection between the two of you now. Because Laycon, my guy, you rock, oh, hand up, oh, hand down, oh, and you know the city with her. So let me know. The guy waiting will not dare well.
No, Ozona. Ozona, the kind of person way I feel like if I wanted to now start, if I want to dance with him, I didn't want to give the wrong signals. For better words, I didn't want to give him the wrong signals. Okay. So I was trying to be really careful, but not be like, say, I don't want to dance with Ozo.
Because even sometimes Ozo want to come down and say, don't bend your body. Before you know, you don't go give Ozo. Sorry, you don't go give Laycon. Laycon go bend down, come put face.
Nah, the matter with that, I just not want to give him wrong signals. And Laycon now, person where I know say, okay.
He don't get feelings for you, so you go rock you without anything.
Exactly.
So Laycon, I want to ask you right now because we don't really know what happened. Because you get sometimes you need to react bad, so we don't know. Was there any emotional upgrade during the interaction of Nengi with your
emotional upgrade? Like for Nengi? No. I just like Nengi as a sister, as a friend. Like she's a very, very important.
So in no way were you triggered?
What did you say?
Triggered. In no way were you triggered?
No.
Our relationship's not really like that.
So if you want to develop a relationship, personally from
I just said she's family.
All right.
I got a question for them.
Okay.
After that, we go take my show.
Okay.
Sorry, actually, my show starts 11. Me and Lady J.
So you feel as you don't need to
technically, I don't take our show, but MV and Neo, the kind of quarrel when they get for house, it be like when they pour small fuel on top fire. So, but I want to now, if you see that temperament blend, because that's in the reverse quick,
I feel like when it comes to me and Neo, they say opposites attract. Me and Neo are the complete opposites.
Really?
So that's what made us stay together, but still the opposites will always be there. We're very different from each other.
Neo,
so if you don't fight, we're deceiving ourselves.
Okay. Neo, you agree?
Like I said, the best part of fighting, right, was the making of part.
Okay.
I don't go like that. They make the fight this sweet me.
Okay.
Because no fight finish.
So you like quarrel? Now worry, boy.
No, I like quarrel.
I know.
She like quarrel. But the funny thing I say, making up was so easy. And then when we want make up, we don't even need to talk. This girl we don't look in one kind. We don't need to talk.
Okay,
you get me?
One more question for Neo. You know, that day when you wash her clothes, pants begin trend for 24 hours.
Make pants trend. Make people they say pants, It's okay.
Make when they wash, they wash.
So, but we don't really see what you wash.
I'm very happy say some people did not see, and I'm very happy that some people thought they saw.
Now bandana you wash.
But I don't go lie.
Now pants.
Make up.
Bata.
You
know
go use it to the tertiary. Relax.
No, high
voltage don't mind. But truth be said, I mean, I don't wash pants. I rinse pants.
Okay, final question. Sorry.
My brother, what your final question?
Final question, Laycon. Yeah, for you, say, Laycon and my mom before you enter the house, So, Laycon.
Yes, Dad.
The question now, at what stage in the house you discover, say, you feel like say I get chance to win this thing because it can't be like say
never.
You never think that.
Never think
so all those times where you did up for a vision when they save you.
Hey, Jesus! I try to keep myself calm, but in my head I'm always like, your last Monday, enjoy. Your last Tuesday, enjoy. Your last Wednesday, enjoy. That last Saturday, enjoy.
So all the time when you know they win head of house competition, you be like, see they follow you from house.
Because that thing not dice. Not dice. If you go one way or another way, Neil almost won how many times? He entered 30 one time. B entered 30 one time. Dorathy, she get 30. That same day, So honestly.
But one thing, you balance equation for those arena games, you know they talk. But when it reach time for all those questions and answer, you they dust everybody and say tomorrow not.
Yeah, they try.
So nice one. Now sharp based on say God do you raise the issue of pattern washing. Neo, my brother, we are proud of you whether you wash and you not wash. Because men like us will be LLA. You know the meaning of LLA? The Clinical Association of Nigeria. if you feel leak, why not you wash? Not understand. No. We're not the shame of you. I tell you, say people they proud of you. Even though if you truly say now you wash, you get me. Because most of us are hypocrites for this country. We'll come out and say, I can't wash. We will allow now they wash and pass for inside. So we are proud of you, bro. We'll give you certificate very soon.
Dorothy, you and Laycon win 1 million naira and a chance to hang out with John Jazzy for a performance for the final birthday river. How that one make you feel?
Like I always say, who am I in the scheme of things?
Amen.
I mean, I feel very honored and I'm just looking forward to meeting him and, talking business.
Okay. Laycon, sharp right now. You get one babe when boss cry for you. Say, saying wish, saying answer your DM. You
never see him.
I know that too.
Because when you first enter, if I write, say, this screenshot how you say they try to stand for Instagram.
Okay.
Then when you come see when you come boss cry, come do official video of crying. So you
I never say I'm not gonna lie.
But the way your team, why they never update you now?
Important is day. Now money with day.
Okay, so that one not important anymore.
Waiting with that.
Relationship not important anymore.
All these things where they happen now, the important thing is to make sure that you make use of this avenue and use it to
move to the next one.
Lives.
Okay.
Alright, based on the fact that you talk say now important things they very, very paramount. Now I want to ask you now party with them Davido and Mayokun. So during the course of our party, now don't discuss anything about music collabo or any new songs they drop soon for we your fans.
Okay. We are working. Me, I'm working. My team, we are working. We have loads of things for you guys. And yes, you guys should just keep. We are like, I know they waste time. We don't go waste time. Something go drop on and now.
Very
go, yes.
Okay. Now, Shasha, back to Nengi. Nengi, waiting day next for you right now. You cannot move to dwell for the past. We need to look into the future right now.
Yeah.
Waiting day next for you.
For me, not to just focus on my business. I don't mean the money, but I got to.
Waiting your business day.
I got to. My business, I sell shoes for now, but I really want to expand
too.
Exactly, to like full clothing line.
Okay.
Yes, so that one day, and I also want to go into entertainment.
When you mean entertainment, singing, acting, or dancing?
I know sabi sing, I know sabi dance. So
okay, so
acting, yeah.
acting, okay.
But I know say even the acting self, not be like say I too sabi.
So
I want to go train for a while, come back, focus on that one.
Okay.
Then you get something where I don't. After we do one task for the house, I don't think say I won't get NGO.
No governmental
organization. Our foundation.
Waiting to be your focus.
Exactly. Gender-based violence. Exactly.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Dorothy, over to you right now.
Yeah, so I did hear.
Alright, Dorathy. You get one quick birthday trivia question. What you say? They say maybe ask you. They say the pole where they use inside gymnastics. What do they call them?
Don't get them.
You don't get them. Uneven waiting. Uneven pole. Uneven bars. No.
Why you not the think about pool? Why you not the think about pool? Why you not go think about pool? Who understand?
I don't know what you're talking about.
No problem, Sha. Anyway, V, birthday trivia question I be this. The first football match recorded in Nigeria was in what year?
1904.
Okay.
The boyfriend don't tell her, boyfriend don't tell her. You sure? Okay, sharp right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, how you go rate your performance during the birthday arena game?
In the first month, let's say 1. In the rest of the time I was in Big Brother's house, we'll give it 6, 7, 8, based on growth.
Okay. Now, Neo, what be your favorite thing about birthday arena game?
overtaking is
Okay.
overtaking is allowed. If you say the top now, there is one person just from back come pass you. That person if you say pass you, person will come pass am. So we no dey ever know. But now the challenge now is like I really like the fact that you need to push yourself to be the best. And beat the time. So that was my strategy. So me I feel say I great all three.
So on a scale of 1 to 10,
Not 10, bro.
not 10. Okay.
I still got a question where I want to ask V. Yeah, V. I want to ask you, Shay, you don't come back to Nigeria fully now, or you will still reason to go back to the UK?
I plan on staying in Nigeria. This is my home. This is my country. Yeah. Whether I was born and raised in England, I have British accent. It doesn't matter. I become Yoruba and Igbo.
Give us a Yoruba slogan.
Hold on. So what you dey try to talk now? Say you know carry our brother go UK again.
Hey, now you can come. You can come.
No, but you say you want base for Nigeria now because you supposed to join the plan now.
I want make V give us one slogan for Yoruba because they like our Yoruba. You know, Yoruba they get British spice on top of.
Wait, what was that thing I said? Oh, we're silly!
Oh, silly! Okay, yeah,
I said milk! Oh my God!
We're funny!
Una dey off me!
I see everything! It's crazy!
But the fact say, what I like about Nakore is in our food, they always start time. So I want to pray for our food, go do now in Jesus' name. Sharp, Laycon. My brother, a lot of stuff. In fact, a lot of people just support your movement because of what they believe in you. You get me? So right now, what is the next for you? And somebody asked one question on Twitter. How Laycon wants to appreciate everybody when you donate money, vote for you.
Okay. So the next thing for me, obviously. They always talk even when I dey inside house, I don't know wetin dey stop outside. They always talk say when you get anything. I remember I had a conversation with Dorathy. I said, you came in here for yourself, but you are going outside for millions of people. Okay. So yeah, it has happened. I'm here now, and I didn't get here by myself. I got here with the help of everybody. I'm going to spread love and light. That's what I'm always saying, spread love and light. Yeah. So on that note, I don't really like going into specifics, but I'm working with NGOs, sickle cell organizations, cancer organizations. So I'm going to be looking into a lot of giving back to the community, giving back to the society in that aspect. That's health. The sports development thing, also going into that. And also the societal orientation, institutionalizing the society, little kids in the society, helping them. That's education. So I'm also going into that. So that's I don't like going into music definitely, but I don't like going into specifics basically.
Until when the thing starts to the show face.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp.
All right, Laycon, my last question for you. Based on the fact in Nigeria they celebrate the 60th anniversary now, and we know say a lot of people, especially the youth, come out to come vote for you. In fact, for inside Ogun State, Abeokuta, they even do rally on top of your matter. Yes. I want to ask you now, say, based on the fact in Nigeria, they clock 60, and you know, say, they talk to Nigeria and democracy government they do for year. How you think, say, Naija feed one where they say people could come out in mass to come and vote
as
they do for you?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to answer this question in English. I feel like the best thing, what will make people come out and vote is if they know that this thing I'm going to be doing is going to count. It needs to be fair. They need to have, see, the problem between people and the government, I think, is trust. So that trust needs to be restored, that if these people say this is what they are going to do, then they will do it. I need to trust what I'm going to put my efforts, stay on the queue, under the sun, under the rain, leave everything else and go out there and vote for the future of my children, for the future of the other people. I need to know that what I'm doing is going to count and it's going to be free and fair and nobody's going to manipulate it. So that is what I know that if they have this trust, that's the thing about Nigerian people. We are hopeful people. We believe in ourselves. We believe in this country, and I do too. And I know that if these things, that trust, that disconnect, that is the issue. Once the people have faith in a system and they know that it works, trust me, everything will start moving up.
Now, sharp, this is not a general question. Just because say you know, like we cheat other people, V, Neo, Dorothy, you will let us know what will be your next plan. But this is not the general question for everybody. I'll start with Nengi. Nengi, any plans of settling down to, or would you expect continuous relationship between you and Ozo? We'll start from there first of all.
We gotta wait to see that one.
Okay, we gotta wait. We now see they calculate whether it will work or not.
Calculate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's with Ozo, with settling down.
Settling
which
down.
one with because if you decide to say no one settle down with us, then that person you're coming, just take her in right now.
We gotta wait for right now. I just want to focus on focus on myself and focus on achieving everything I want to achieve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Dorothy? You gonna settle down with your full chest?
Maybe the full chest just wait. But I mean, just get the bag and just build your career and build yourself first before trying to expand.
Expand. Okay, Laycon, you too. You.
What's the question?
You plan to settle down in moments soon. That one is not a working relationship. That's a table relationship.
It's not.
People will be like say they get future. What answer me? Any plans?
Let's settle down and accept fame first. Then when we understand how life is individually.
No, this question when you ask be like this. Be like say they try to say Neo not know where they go. I be like say fake will enter here later.
No.
You sure?
No.
So yeah, 1 year you continue.
It might even be less than 1 year.
Yeah.
I see a good future for me and this guy.
Wow. No, you look too. You share the same feeling.
My brother. I go down. Today go down.
But you don't talk to your persons. Your palace. You support the matter. You know what we meant.
Relax. That one day, no worry. Me, I go. That one day, no worry. When I get home, I go. No, you understand? But straight up, like everything she's saying, man. There's no lie. I mean, everybody see how it be for the house. But right now, the truth is, we are really right from the house. If now look us well, now say people when they determine being who won't be separately, then combine efforts. The factor it will happen. You understand? But by God's grace, we did that track, and the fact that we already planned, say, as we come out of this house, saying that chase the bad first of all. Be who you want.
But to them more precise, just where you want, which area you want.
Bros, as you looking so, you feel like say again any part of the entertainment is just one of them. Straight up. So me, I don't say that entertainment everywhere I did, but fashion, acting, as in going to acting school, you know, a lot of things, business, I want going to transfer. I mean, I both are the drive before anything far. You know, look what they. So I mean, I know how transport be. I know how I invest in that sector as well. A lot of other things. NGO I get, Amakasa, straight up for disabled people who they work. Yes, you guys empower them because they leave them behind. But look at the
musically V, you plan to continue?
100%. My EP is almost finished.
Okay.
And a single is coming very, very soon.
Hope you go feature Laycon.
Laycon doesn't have
a choice.
You go kill her.
What the boss?
Okay. I bet last word for Big Brother, last word for Betway, last word Naija, last word for Naija FM too. Abi, I am more run a sharp.
What's that?
Waiting be that.
Last word for Big Brother, Naija, Betway, your fans and Naija FM.
Okay. Big Brother, thank you very much. I love you.
Yes,
I miss your voice, so I don't go lie. For Betway, man, it was really tough, but we pulled through. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And Naija FM. Happy birthday to you guys.
Thank you. Happy birthday, guys.
Yes, you guys
And finally, shout out to Multi Choice.
Multi Choice.